With another look at Fetch, one of my favorite coins to cover. I don't do a lot of charting on it, but I absolutely love this coin. Artificial intelligence, obviously, this is going to be a big winner in a bull run. If you take a look at a bull run target for this thing, these bull run targets work. I've proven it time and time again. These things turn out. If they don't hit exactly, they get very, very close. Right, this thing had a high of right around $1.23. A bull run target for this thing is up around $5, $5.05. Okay, from where it's at now, where is that right now? 38 cents. Okay, so that's and that's I don't know. I think that might be a little low, but we'll see what turns out with this thing. I believe the potential for it is astronomical. Let's take a look at volume that's coming in on the last 48 hours for this thing and see where the market cap is at. All right, yeah. Volume is up 1%, 76 million bucks. The market cap is down 0.06% at 310 million. All right, so just to get to a billion, it has to do a 3x from here. Fetch is I can't say enough good things about this. I absolutely love this token. I believe it. Like I said, I believe the potential for this thing is extremely high. All-time high of $1.19. I believe it's going to hit a lot higher than that. I mean, the bear market low for this thing went down. What did it go to? Wow, 0.007. Holy cow. I didn't know it went that low. March of 20. Oh, that was before the last bull run. So actually, the bear market low went down to 5 cents. All right, so this thing looks like it's getting ready to possibly make another run here. So let's get a look at a few things here. Okay, first off, the RSI. The monthly RSI is still heading up, still bullish, which means it still has some upward momentum. You can see right here it's at a 73. Okay, it can go the whole way up to 100. All right, so it has some upward momentum left in it. The weekly is at a 90 and a 93. It has flipped bearish on the monthly. All right, on the weekly, I apologize. The daily is just about reset. Okay, it is down at a 12 and a 23, and on the regular RSI down here, it is pointing upwards. Now here's the ones that in the short-term count. You got your 12 reset. All right, ready to push up. Okay, to make these simple, if you're not sure what RSIs are, when they're at the bottom, that means it's oversold. Price action usually pushes up from there. Just like when this one was at the bottom to the top, it went up 33%. Okay, this one here, when it was at the bottom, this wasn't a very big run, but bottom to the top ended up being 22%. Okay, so these monthly RSIs, they work out, or the 12 hours. I apologize. The higher the RSI, like the monthly, the weekly, this one went up 91%. But if you bought and sold just on the monthly, okay, if you just simply bought when it was oversold at the bottom, okay, if you bought right down here, right here, okay, and you sold when it hit the top, there you go, 1,094%. You 10 extra money right there in that move just by buying at the bottom and selling at the top. And I can show you over and over and over, especially on the monthly. The monthlies are super, super accurate. Every coin, go through your charts, do that once. Just go on the monthly, go from the bottom to the top. If you simply bought right down here and you sold right when it got to the top, right up here, you would basically be in the money pretty much every time. Okay, it just I don't know how it works, but I love my RSIs, and my fibs. If you asked me if I what two tools I would want to trade with for the rest of my life, that would be it. Okay, so let's see where we're at here as far as the Fibonacci goes. Once we get through a 702 level, the 618 and the 702 are the two biggest levels. All right, we hit a 618 right now, right at 0.4386. Right there, we hit the 618. The 702 is up here at 0.4765. And if we make it through that, the last fib is 0.5145. All right, then you're looking for higher price targets. All right, then we would be moving this thing right over towards this area here. Okay, and pulling this down, and then we would be looking at higher price targets up here, up at the 66 to 73 cent zone. All right, but right now we're dealing with this area right over here until we bust through the areas we're at now. We're working on this area right here. Okay, so keep your eye on this level. If we break through the 0.5131, we're looking for higher prices. Okay, simple as that. The 0.4758 is the 702. If you bust through that, that gives you a very good idea. You're breaking through the 786 and heading higher. All right, now as far as the RSIs, the monthly still heading up. All right, the weekly is at the top, 90 and a 93. It's flipped bearish. The daily is just about reset. It's at a 12 and a 23. Your 12-hour is at the bottom, reset, ready to head up. Okay, that means price action is ready to head up. 8-hour, same thing, at the bottom. Okay, there you go. Bullish, it's at a 15 and an 11. And your 4-hour, same thing, 26.2 and a 26.4, just on the verge of flipping back. You can see that blue, when the blue line is on the outside, just like over here, that's bullish. Okay, it's just ready to flip right there. All right, so I'm expecting higher prices here at a FET. I would very much keep an eye on this area up here, that 45.5 cents. If we break through that area, you would be watching for, let's see here, let's get some price targets. 45.5 cents. Then you would be looking at 40.4716. Okay, and very good support levels. You have a very good level at 0.4055. Very good support area right there. In fact, let's mark that out. And this is on the weekly right there. You have a very good support level. Okay, and then obviously right here at roughly 38 cents is a very good support level. That's about where it's at right now. It's kind of battling to keep that area. If you zoom in here on the 4-hour, yeah, you can see it's pretty much battling to keep that area right now. In fact, we probably could move this down just a hair. Right about there looks about good. 37.2. All right, it is holding that area just fine. We break through the 0.4062, then I would be watching up towards the 45.5 cents. All right, so FET's looking fine right now. I would be looking for a push to the upside to start very, very soon. All right, so please hit the like and subscribe, guys. I would appreciate that very much. Please consider becoming a member of the channel. For 99 cents a month, you can support the channel, and for $14.99, you can get the trading lessons that are available to you over 6 hours, 17 videos to teach you how to do this stuff. So very much worth it. You're going to blow 15 bucks on a lottery ticket or something. You know, spend it on something that can change your life. You know, it's changed my life. I've been looking at these charts for years and years and years, and I love them. When I'm not working, I am on my laptop looking at charts. So it can change your life, guys. It really can. All right, thank you so much, everybody. Have a great night. Keep your eye on Fat. Looks like it's getting ready to make another move. Thanks a lot.